The Knight of Wands bursts across this card with fiery momentum, his horse rearing as if carried by the knight's own blazing will. As heir of fire, he is passion in motion, desire ignited into action, inspiration transformed into pursuit, and courage expressed as movement. Where the page wanders and the queen steadies, the knight accelerates, embodying the restless fire that must act. The wand he carries is the first central symbol. Thrust forward like a banner or torch, it represents creative force set in motion. The green leaves sprouting from it show that growth comes through action, that vitality strengthens when expressed. He does not wait for the perfect moment. His wand is a call to immediate pursuit. His armor, decorated with salamanders, forms the second symbol. These fire spirits, some biting their own tails, represent persistence, transformation, and the eternal nature of flame. Their circular shapes echo the continuity of passion, the fire that renews itself through movement. The knight wears fire as protection and identity, revealing a temperament driven by intensity and will. The third symbol is his rearing horse. Fiery, powerful, and eager, it mirrors the knight's internal state, restless, ambitious, ready to leap into the unknown. Horses symbolize instinct and the body responding to desire. This horse shows full physical commitment, every muscle aligned with the knight's momentum. The desert landscape around him is the fourth symbol. Dust swirls beneath the horse's hooves. The horizon is wide and unclaimed. The desert represents possibility unbounded by structure, an open field where the knight's vision can carve a new path. He rides not into certainty, but into potential, drawn forward by his own fire. The fifth symbol is the large, flame-colored plume on his helmet, streaming backwards with speed. Feathers signify inspiration. Here, their fiery color shows passion-igniting action. The plume, pulled by the wind, reveals both the knight's velocity and his tendency to move faster than thought. Together, these symbols depict the Knight of Wands as the adventurer, the trailblazer, the charismatic force that sparks change. He is boldness embodied, fearless, expressive, and unwilling to be confined. In readings, he brings movement, urgency, relocation, creative pursuit, or a surge of motivation. He may represent someone charming, impulsive, and fiercely alive, or the querent's own rising drive. His shadow cautions against recklessness, burnout, or acting without grounding, yet his core truth inspires. Passion becomes power when acted upon.